Hello, I'm Sue from Create with Sue, and today we are going to be cutting out these stickers. We actually created them in Canva in a previous video, so if you want to watch that video first, I'll put the link up the top here and you can go and watch that. These are the stickers we've created, and I'm going to cut them out with HTVRont sticker paper. I'm using the gloss, so this is the packet I've got. I'm using the gloss sticker. It's for inkjet or laser printer, and it cut beautifully. I'm really pleased how it works. So this is the back. It gives you a bit of information on how to use it. It's a waterproof sticker. It's the sticker paper, and I'm using this Canon printer. It is a MG 3630. I'll go and check that. I'll put it up the top. And I bought this actually purposely for stickers. These are some other stickers that I've created, and I'll probably do a tutorial on creating that style of stickers too. Okay, so we're over at the ScanNCut. I have a couple of ScanNCuts. I've got this one, which is the SDX 1000. I've got a 2200D, and I've also got a CM900. They will all do this. All the models will do this. So all we're going to do is we're going to start off by just adding a shape, and we can choose any shape we want, but we created these to go with a circle, so we'll grab the circle shape, and I've got it in millimeters, but we'll just change it to inches because we've been working in inches, so it's pretty easy to change to inches. All I've done is gone into this little tool and changed it to inches and go okay, and we want it 2 inches, so we'll change it like this, just with the minus sign. Now you'll notice both of these are changing at the same time. This icon here on the right with the double arrows, if you select that, it will just change the height or the width separately. So you can see that that's changing separately, and we'll just put that back so it's, because we want a perfect circle. Take that off and continue down to our 2 inches. I think about 2 inches. Doesn't have to be 2 inches. I'm just going to put 1 on there at the moment. So we'll set that. And it's popped it up there in the top corner. What I'm going to do next is use this scan for the mat. And we will scan the mat to see all the shapes that have been printed out on our sticker paper. Just going to use my black auto blade on this one. So this one just here, the black one. And we can see that there's the stickers. So we could scan these and try, you can see they're quite faint, and try and create shapes around them. We could even use a heart for these heart ones. That would look nice. We can do that too. But we just were going to do the sticker shape. Now I can't see this very well, so one of the options is to change the background settings, so we can do that to see if we can see it a little bit clearer. So that was just the little tools again, and yes, that is clearer. And we can also zoom in, but what I'm going to do is just get them roughly right and see what the 2 inches looks like. I think 2 inches is going to be pretty good. I'm going to edit, and we can use these little crosshairs to move it precisely. We can also use the zoom, but we're not quite ready for that yet. So we're going to go Object Edit, and I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I need 12 of these. So we're going to go into this top icon here, plus, and we will get 12 up. And okay, you can see them all lined up here. I'm going to place them roughly in the right places. And we will go okay and zoom in. So we have our movement keys here. So this will move with the red box. That one there is selected. We'll just move it a little bit closer into place first. And then you can finitely move them over. That's not bad. Might move that one to the left a little bit. And that one could actually just need a little bit bigger, only just fits the sticker there. So you could go in and edit those particular ones. This one here just needs to go to the right a little bit, and just adjust them as accordingly. I'll speed through some of this. So if you wish to save these, if you're going to print these a lot, if you've got the same sort of stickers all the time, you can save this as a template, and then it will stay to cut next time. And then you just need to double check when you've put your sticker paper on your mat, you just need to double check that these line up properly. It's usually just a quick check. These ones here move your paper up and down. Okay. So we will go in and edit a couple of these. Object edit, and choose this one. And we're going to go into this icon here on the top left. And with this, so it's exactly the same dimension and not out of, it stays a perfect circle. Just going to increase that slightly. Go OK and OK. And we're going to cut. And these ones I'm going to half cut. So I've actually got the half cut on. If you haven't got the half cut on, go into the tools and there's your half cut. Can change the pressure. I'm not going to worry. This cut's pretty good on auto, and I'm not going to worry about weeding boxes or anything like that. Often it's a good idea to add a test cut. Now I'm not going to, but if you were adding a test cut, you just press test and it'll put a little triangle somewhere and you place it on your sticker paper. I've been cutting stickers all week, so I'm not going to worry too much about that because I know these have been cut in. You watch, they won't cut properly for me today. Now before I take this off the mat, I'm going to leave my mat in the machine, and I am just going to peel the backing away. So we could lift the sticker if we wanted to, but I want to take the backing away. Okay, so it's not quite cut through. So I am going to run this through the machine again. So you can only do this if you don't take your mat out. Once you've taken your mat out, it's too late. So I'm just doing a second pass and we'll test it again. So this is the advantage of doing a test cut. And it just caught in a few little spots still. But it's all right because you can't really notice that. Very shiny. They're very nice stickers. And there's the other ones that look great. Now join me for our next video, which I will do a little bit more complex design. So we're going to do it in Canvas Workspace, and we will look at both the print to cut feature and the not print to cut feature. So doing it either way. And I've actually got some stickers that you can have. I'll put them in the resource library for the next video. So stay with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one on our sticker series. See you next time. Bye.